Hello viewers, everybody welcome to our tutorial. Today I will see you how to record your computer screen. It is very interesting and necessary tips. So when you visit my YouTube channel, firstly subscribe my channel and stay with us for getting more related video. For record your computer screen, firstly you need a software that names Camtasia Studio. In my computer I have a software Camtasia Studio 8. When you install Camtasia Studio 8, then automatically two software installed. One software is Camtasia Studio 8 and other software is Camtasia Studio recording software. Camtasia Studio recording software is needed for record the computer screen. So firstly you download the Camtasia Studio software and then open the software. This is Camtasia Studio software. For running the software takes several minutes, so just wait. Camtasia Studio software already open. Look at this menu bar, that is record the screen and that is import media. For record the screen you needed this item, this menu bar, or you go on the top menu bar, that is record the screen, that is import media, and that is produce and share. For recording the screen you might be click on record the screen. When you click on record the screen, then your computer screen recording will be running. So by this way you can record your any computer, laptop or any device screen recording. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.